Welcome to this 10-minute free flow, a combination of Meridian Tapping and Qigong to help you stop overthinking, calm your nervous system, and create mental clarity. Perfect for anyone who is feeling overwhelmed or anxious, this calming flow is designed to ground your energy and free your mind. So if that sounds good to you, find a quiet place to practice. Let's get our minds calm, our bodies relaxed, and let's get our energy flowing. Welcome. As always, we are going to start with Meridian Tapping. We're tapping on acupressure points to help calm down the mind and help to release those heavy emotions that we are feeling. Begin by pausing for a second and feeling into the emotion of overwhelm, overthinking, whatever it is that's been weighing heavy on you, really capturing your mind, keeping those thoughts spiraling. Just feel into that for a moment. And when you are ready, we will begin tapping. Tap where I tap and repeat after me. Chest, even though I feel stuck in my thoughts. Inner eye, and they keep circling around. Outer eye, causing me to feel overwhelmed. Under eye, I choose to take this moment to take a step back. Upper lip, releasing the need to hold onto every thought. Chin, creating space in my mind for clarity and peace. Collarbone, ground and center my energy. Side of the body, and allow tranquility to wash over me. Top of the head, it's safe to relax and let these thoughts go. Tapping your wrists together, taking a deep breath in through the nose, and a cleansing breath out through the mouth. One more time in through the nose, and exhale out the mouth as you let this go. Bring your hands down by your side, give yourself a little shake, and using your fingertips, we are going to rake through our hair, starting at the top, going to the middle, and then raking right at the sides. We'll do this 3 times. Raking away the accumulation of chi that is gathered by that excess thinking, raking it away from the mind so you can feel more at ease. And further clearing that excess energy in the mind, putting your fingers right at the center and working your way from the front of the scalp all the way to the back, allowing space and opening for that energy to release. And then taking your fingers right on the top of your head, doing small circular motions as we take a deep breath in and out. One more time, deep breath in and exhaling out. And stepping a bit wider, placing your hands over your lower belly, your center, where we want to gather our energy. We're going to start doing big circles with our hips. Your feet are grounded and rooted into the earth, so you're moving just from the waist in circular motions. Getting our energy moving from our head back down into our body. And keeping your legs nice and grounded and rooted, turning your hips to the left at a 45-degree angle and rotating in this direction. And back to center for just a few rotations until we turn to our right. Again, legs are rooted and grounded, and it's just the torso that's making the movement, getting that energy flowing in the center. And back to center, making the big rotations. And we're going to start to come in, spiraling inward to make those rotations smaller and smaller. And then pausing with your hands on your lower belly for just a few breaths. Legs remaining wide, bringing your hands palm facing each other as if you're holding a ball right at your center. Palms rotate as they push away from one another. Upper hand scoops forward and coming back to your center. Repeating on the other side. Stretching tall as your arms push apart. Scooping forward, rolling from the back as you come back to your center. Inhale as you grow and expand. Exhale as you gather forward. And bringing your hands to your center just for a breath. And allowing your hands to fall down by your side. With light arms, you're going to lift up, come in, and push back down. I'll show you from the side so you can get a better view. They're going to go up, out, and in, and down. Your wrists are soft, your shoulders are relaxed. Grow as you come up and sink as you come down. And pairing with your breath, inhale up and exhale down. Arms float up and sink back down. Really focusing on your breath and the feeling of grounding your energy into the earth. When we're overwhelmed, overthinking, our energy is all buzzing in our head. So we're just allowing our energy to settle back down, grounding ourselves back into the earth so we can feel secure and sturdy, calm and centered. And allowing your arms just to hover right at your waist. Again, taking a couple soothing breaths. Arms still hovering, floating to the side, rotating the palms as you scoop up and down through the body. Inhale, gather, and exhale through the body. And slowing down as we push from the top of our head, over your eyes and mouth, down your chest, lungs, heart, all your internal organs, all the way down to your toes. Placing your hand on your lower belly. You can bring your legs in if you would like. And allow yourself just to sway here for a second. Focusing on your breath, focusing on your feet grounded into the earth. Tall, straight spine. Little belly rub. And exhale to let it go. Coming up the center of the body, right to the lower chin. Zip in all of that good energy we just cultivated. So hopefully it feels like someone pulled the plug on your mind and let all of that overthinking heaviness out. Let me know in the comments below how you feel. Always love hearing from you guys. Bye. If you enjoy my content, please make sure you check out my Mindfully Me studio and app, designed to support women through the beautiful chaos of motherhood. From conception to raising kids, rediscovering yourself beyond motherhood, chasing dreams, and aging gracefully, Mindfully Me is designed to support your mental well-being at every stage. This app offers a variety of transformational workshops, a gallery of guided EFT tapping sessions, calming meditations, and more. Whether you're seeking peace, clarity, or confidence, Mindfully Me empowers you to nurture yourself while navigating the journey of motherhood with grace and strength. Hope to see you there.